Hi Eric. Hi Eric. So this task when I send email along with the inline attachment and attachment in the email, the task is getting created, but the images are broken. So now this I sent, and so this is the tenant. So this one I had created earlier, and you can see these images are broken in the description, also in the attachment section. So all the images are basically broken here. So see, this is the one I just sent, and if I go down, see, this image is not correctly displayed here, and yeah, I think attachment is not there, so that's fine. But attachment images are also broken. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.